there's a light that will come up. Look at that light. With your eyes widely open, you feel a little air. Okay, that's the right time. So keep your eyes steady with this eye. This way, just keep it steady, right? Now blink your eyes again. Okay, it's okay. Yes. You understand it now? So bring the eye drops. Let me show you what to do with it. 13 and 5. Okay. Now that it's gone down, it has gone down to 5. You use this one in the morning, use this one at night. You won't use it morning and night again. Yes. First 5 days. How many have you taken? 3. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we are going to suspend these drops. Keep it somewhere. Continue. Just keep it. I will tell you what to do. Because at school, you're going to go to your eye clinic in school for them to check the pressures again. If it goes up, you start taking it. Now, don't stop this. Continue morning and night. The same thing with this one, since you are stopping this one today. When are you going to school? If you don't go, have you taken this one today, the tablet?
Yes.
Okay. If you don't go tomorrow, in the evening around 4, you come. We'll have to check the pressures again without that tablet. Don't take the tablet tomorrow. In the evening around 4, you come, we'll check the pressures again.